Alright, so this is why I think these are the best style of rims for a BMW. Check it out. Alright, so with your MSYSTEMS, I got tired of the look. I want to go ahead and switch it up. So I basically laid out all the tools to make it simple. You know, I want to be more technical. So in this video, I'm going to show you the tools do you need. I got an impact because, you know, speed things up. You need the 17 to take off the wheel. Jack stand for safety. And, oh, this bad boy. Unfortunately, I couldn't just buy the one socket. I had to buy the whole piece. It cost me $30. And it's going to be like a one-time use. So, yeah, kind of bummed down about that. But I'll show you what I mean. So yeah, those are like, you need a 6M, multiple splines on there. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you a rundown. We're gonna take this cover off. Underneath this cover, there is forged rim. So we're gonna expose the forged rim and we're gonna run naked MSYSTEMS. Now, if I really wanted to, I could swap over to my turbines, which I think I might do to switch it up. So we might run naked on this side and then turbines on that side. I don't know, talk to me in the comments below, because I have the Throwing Stars. I've been rocking it for a while. I think the black looks good with the red and black. Alright, so I'm back with the turbines. These are cool because they're actually functional. Depending on how you put them on, it scoops in air to cool off your brakes. In theory, I think this goes on like this. So it would look something like that. Your boy got turbines and Throwing Stars because, you know, the M5's back there. Let's just go ahead and change this rim. I can give you guys a visual of how it looks. This is what your boy have to do because, you know, he has that sick fitment. Hashtag hella flush, bro. Fun fact, these are found on E31s, 8 Series, and M5s only. Basically the boss cars. On E31s, you got a stagger set. Those are really rare. They're going like $3,000. I just seen one post up. Square setups, anywhere from like, if you have the covers, like $1,300. So in the back, you have your ricky dicky bolts. Make sure not to strip them because they are known for like stripping. So your boy's on the last one. It's coming right out. And just like that, the cover drops. And you got your naked MSYSTEM, boy. Look at all that brake does. Damn. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this rim, and I'll be back within like one snap. So when I stop these fingers, we'll be right back. Unfortunately, the MSYSTEM is not spray painted. Like, it was spray painted once upon a time, but I guess it faded off with all the brake dust. I plan to refinish these wheels, so I don't want to paint it. I'm just not gonna run naked MSYSTEMs because they're not black. If I really want naked MSYSTEMs, I'll rob them from the M5. What we're gonna do now is stay right here. I'll be right back.
What?
So just to speed the process up and change the look of the car and explain why these are the best rims for a BMW, just gonna run turbines and Throwing Stars. So one side's gonna be turbines, the other side's gonna be Throwing Stars until I get them refinished, and then I'll just polish the lips and, you know, do all that fancy good stuff. FYI, when you guys take them off, I don't recommend using those bolts. So I went to go and I bought some just regular hex bolts, so it'll be easier to take off. Size 5. Yeah, this works better than the other one. You don't have to worry about stripping it. So I bought like 16 of them, came up to $10. Check this out, here, look. Bam!
Wow.
We're gonna go buy some stickers so that can look fresh. These covers are actually different styles. Like in the BMW style of category rims, this is style 21, this is style 20. A lot of people, I tell my friends, like, oh look, yeah, they're you can change the cover, and they're just like a hubcap. This is why I think these are the best rims, because you got 3 options, and they're just going up in price right now. You only can find them on M5s, and like I said, E31s, 8 Series. Buy them like this. That's like $900. Then you have the cover on. They want like 13, and then you can find the covers by themselves. These are authentic aluminum. Sometimes they're like 500. These are more desirable. I don't know why. I like it because they function. They look like a white wall. That's why I like it. But it's just all these options you have. In the future, we'll run naked because I like the black with the red because it looks good, you know. Calypso, black interior, 1 out of 7. So we're just gonna mount turbines, but what do you guys think? Comment in the comments below. Hashtag all that famous YouTube stuff. You sound like a damn typical YouTuber. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and mount these and move on with our life. Dude, it looks like a proper 90s BMW. It doesn't look so aggressive though. All right, Lena, so what I want you to do is put your foot in the clutch. The third one. Now we're just gonna push this bad boy. Yeah. Damn, I think I should have ran MSYSTEMS, naked MSYSTEMS. What do you guys think? I feel like I look like a grandpa now. All right, like that's that side, and that side. So So I swapped the rims. I'm trying to get some rolling shots. I came by the homies, and yeah, this is their drift car here. We're gonna hit our startup right now. That's not too loud. I thought it was gonna be really loud. Yeah. That's loud. Ouch. Sick. We're gonna ride with you guys one day. So I'm still indecisive despite how good those throwing stars look when they're rolling. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna pick, but honestly when they're refinished, I think I'm gonna go with Naked In Systems because they look banging when they're polished. On a side note, I am working on the M5 steering pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, get back to it, because, you know, Bimmerfest is right around the corner. So with that said, I have to go. Farewell, see you next video. Hope you enjoyed that. All that fancy stuff going to the...